What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be doing the best thing in the world. We're gonna be dropping the E46 M3 stock height. We don't like it. What is this? Oh,
We started already.
I'm ready to go.
oh, let's go.
I'm ready to go. Alright, so we're taking off these lug nuts right now. This is gonna work. Alright, so you guys want to start off? I mean, I usually spray PB Blaster on these bolts because you just never know. You're gonna take an 18 millimeter with a ratchet and start taking this bolt off right here. Alright, so I just took that 18 millimeter bolt off to the bottom of the shock. Just remember, the first time I did this, I had the e-brake up, and to do the rear, you have to actually have the e-brake down so the rears drop when you release the shock, just so you can get the spring out. But right now, we're gonna take all this off. Got a plastic clip right here. This gotta come off.
There we go.
Okay,
So pop up that clip.
yeah,
If you break it,
you wanna. We'll probably put a new one in. If it breaks, it's not a big deal. And you just wanna remove this whole panel. All right. Oh, bro, you got some Bluetooth thing hooked up here. All right. So what you guys want to expose is this shock tower right here. Right there. Doesn't even matter if you have that on or not.
I did. It wasn't.
All right. So basically, what he's doing. Excuse me. It wasn't. I messed up. It wasn't a 12. It was a 13 millimeter. So he's loosening the two top bolts on the shock. They're 13 millimeter nuts. Excuse me. And the shock should just drop down because I already have the 18 on the bottom of the shock that was connected to the knuckle off. Oh, the spindle, whatever. Bro, I see you sweating right now. That's all I
come on, yeah.
See, he knows it's hard work.
Yeah.
Hard work, baby.
Hard work beats time.
Ask me how much I'm paying them though.
Two bricks per hour.
Take it out. Take it out.
Good.
You good?
Yeah, should I take
I know you.
No. Well,
I'm not gonna like. Where'd you put that other bolt?
I got 18s off. The 18 off here. He took the two nuts off right there. And as you guys can see, here's the shock. I don't think these were bad though. Oh, probably not that great. Anyways, doesn't matter. We're putting coilovers on, so we don't need these. Anyone need some E46 shocks? Hit up Bad Wife. We'll give you a great deal on them. Alright, so next thing. Alright, so what we're gonna do right now is we're trying to get the spring out. So you want somebody to step on this and apply weight downward on this so we can get the spring out. So the spring should come out like this with the two perches, whatever you want to call this, there. And now we're gonna install coilovers and the spring perch and everything on this side. Right now we're assembling the rear spring and everything. So basically with the BC Racing Coilover kit, you have this little coupling, whatever, right here. You just want to put that right here on the bottom of this spring perch. And then you have the OEM BMW top hat for the spring right here. You just want to put that right there. And guys, make sure your spring is the right way. As long as you can read the numbers like this, the numbers on the spring like that, they are facing the right way. You don't want to install them like this or it won't go in right. So you're just going to put this spring perch inside the top of the spring like that. And then the BC Racing Coilover kit also comes with these because these are actually too big to fit right inside. And this fits snug, and it's just going to sit right here where the old spring sat. So I'm going to get Essa to actually step down on this so I can fit the spring in. We actually have to use this original BMW spring perch and put it inside this rubber piece right here. So that's exactly how it goes, like this. You don't see that a lot in any of the BC Racing Coilover install videos, but this is exactly how it's supposed to go. Now go up. Alright, we're good. Alright, so we have the coilover shock right here. So actually, we're just gonna install this at the top. This is a reinforcement plate. I highly recommend that you get these when you install coilovers because these E36s and E46s actually have problems with like busting out the shock towers and stuff after bottoming out. You know, coilovers or lowered suspension and stuff. So highly recommended that you get these reinforcements for the rear and for the front also when you install coilovers. Or in general, honestly speaking, even with stock suspension altogether.
Alright, so now I'm tightening the 2 bolts that we took out earlier. As you can see, the reinforcement plate's there.
We got the jack on the back part of this like spindle right here. We're gonna actually jack it up until we can get the shock to line up with the spindle. Jack it up. Jack. Keep going, bro. Let's go. I think that just kind of set into place. Hold up. So now I'm just installing the 18mm bolt and the knuckle, as you guys can see.
There you go.
Yeah.
Come on, baby.
Alright, so that's it for this rear. If you guys want, you know, you can, obviously if you bought it new, you can like adjust height and all that stuff. We got these used.
So is this a requirement to put on a competition wheel?
I mean, bad life, baby. You know what we gotta do.
The requirement for these 2 guys I'm looking at right now
You know
is
what
Apex.
you know what we gotta do, right?
What?
We already finished.
What? Dude, it looks insane already. Oh my god. Oh my god.
This is the moment of truth.
Alright.
I'll tell you when to stop.
Please don't yell at me.
Watch your foot, bro.
Okay.
Go. Grab it. Grab. Go.
I did?
Oh.
Isn't that too bad? Well, anyways, you guys know that it hasn't settled yet. The coilovers haven't settled yet, so, you know.
Oh!
In the air.
That's a truck!
Oh, this man. Anyways, you guys know the coilovers haven't settled in yet. But let me tell you something. Look at the front fender, please. Can we just look at that trash? And
I bought it like that.
Bill, not bought.
I don't.
Oh.
Anyways, and look at this. This wheel looks a lot better over here. Anyways, back to jacking up that diff. We got more coilover installed for you guys right now.
You're good.
Alright, so we're starting installation on the front. I'm just spraying everything up. So this is gonna have to come off. Sway bar link. And this ball right here.
Which one?
This 18mm ball right here. Get me a 16mm. I'm gonna use my impact. You're gonna get this 18mm ball off right here. Hopefully the thing comes off easy. Oh, actually, make sure you guys get these off. This brake line and all that stuff, because when this strut drops down, when all this stuff moves, you don't want any of this stuff, expensive stuff to get caught. So, you got it?
Yeah.
Right. Take that off.
Take them all out?
Yeah, hurry up.
Thank God.
Look at this stick on the
Yo,
bottom.
Bad Life living on your
Yo, listen, man.
Yeah, give me that.
Bad life, we
Is that
going
bad?
up. This shit don't stop. The grind don't stop.
Alright, so back where we left off, we got this reinforcement plate. And we have a whole coilover. We left off, we had to fix this coilover, we kind of destroyed it. It is what it is. But it's fixed and now it's ready to go back in the car. So what we're about to do is to install the front coilover. We have this reinforcement plate that's recommended on all E46s and E36s. It's definitely something you should use for a coilover set. So you throw this on top of the coilover here, on the top hat, or where the camera and caster play, whatever it is. And we're just gonna put this back up. We're gonna put this up into the shock tower. Okay. Turn it all the way to the right, make sure it's extremely tight.
All the way to the right?
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah. Who's that?
My sister's friends.
Are we good?
Go up.
Hold on.
Up, go up.
Oh. I saw you.
Stop. Alright. So, are you recording? Okay. So, right now what we're doing is we're jacking up the whole knuckle assembly so that this lines up with the coilover. I don't have it tight over here, so that's why I have some wiggle room. And you guys see this dowel pin right here? Make sure that you get that. You see that pin right there? That has to slide in between here for a smooth fit. So, fast go up.
More?
Yeah. Stop. There you go. Slow, fast. Go. Alright, stop. Alright, so we are going to put this 18mm ball bag. You guys see that? Yeah. You guys should be able to see it. You getting it again? So this right here, 18mm.
They bought it today. Yes, the ball was too true.
We for this bracket, we're just gonna put all the stuff back. The brake hose and the brake sensor. This is actually, excuse me, not the brake sensor. This is the ABS wheel speed sensor, I believe. So we're just gonna take this, take my impact, and tighten it down. Alright, so I'm taking off the old sway bar link. To take off the OEM sway bar link, it's 17mm to hold the stud from spinning, and then you can just take 16mm and remove the bolt. Alright, well, I guess that's not gonna work. There we go. Sway bar link off. Now we're gonna install the BC one. So we just put this on. The BC Racing sway bar link requires a 5mm Allen in the middle and a 17mm. Well, we have makeshift nuts over here because I don't know what the actual kit comes with. I forget what it comes with. I think it's a 16mm, but we found 17mm because, long story short, we bought this secondhand, so we got some missing parts, but it's okay. So we had a 17mm. I had us holding this here. And then I had the 5mm like this, and I just, turned this over to the right, and this pulled, held the knot in place and then pulled the stud up. So I'm gonna repeat the same for the bottom, and we should be on our way.
As everybody can see, this is disgusting. Zero camber, what is this? Look at this, can it even fit? Oh, you spit on my hair. So, how are we gonna make this car look better, sir?
We're gonna add some camber to it.
Yeah, and how do you do that?
It looks pretty good right now. Well, we're gonna loosen these 4 screws here. They got like a couple.
5mm Allens? Disgusting as a fitment.
Oh.
Wait, remember what we did to yours to make you give it extra camber? It had an extra hole?
I'm not trying to make you drive, bro. This car is gonna drive like absolute trash.
I want negative camber. 5 degrees camber, bro.
Trash, bro.
I want 5 degrees camber.
5?
This is me.
Now let's take a look at the other side.
I think when you put it down, it's gonna.
Yeah, it'll sit. It's kind of like mine.
Yeah.
But the first day we drove it, I put too much camera in my car, and that's what I.
Moment of truth. Holy crap. Perfect fit right there.
Can we fit a phone in there?
Freeze.
For now,
Oh
yeah.
my god.
Until it sits. Until it sits.
Oh, dude, I might rub. I might need some more camera. We'll see.
No.
Maybe. Nah, it looks good.
Right now, bro. I have the same amount of camera, bro. Nah, it's perfect. Good part.
Oh, close the hood, close the hood. Yo, holy moly.
You're good, you're good.
Feels like the rear's kind of high.
Yeah, I feel like I'm. Holy crap.
Go. 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 That's all the way? Yeah, it's hitting the fender line up here. Not that bad. Yo.
Show him the angle, show him the angle, E.
Yo, that's
I want to see that, but like at 20 miles an hour, like how is it?
You're good, go ahead.
Alright guys, so we threw on the coilovers without really adjusting the suspension from the previous owner. We just wanted to see how it looked. The front looks pretty good, as you guys can see, but the rear was a little high, so we're just going to adjust the rear. Okay, so we dropped the rear a little more. Put some 12mm spacers on. And we're going to see if I'm going to crack the fender. Nice.
You know, it looks lower.
Yeah, it could have gone lower, to be honest.
We got it sitting right. Check that front fin, man.
Alright, one finger.
Comfortably. We need more low.
And
So
got
we
the rear
we
with
did
the
adjust the rear.
spacers.
Yeah.
Oh.
12mm spacer, bro. Yo, this setup is elite. It made the car look 10 times better, honestly speaking. 10 times better.
I got my friends over there.
And on top of that, to make it look even better, we're running 4 rears in this car. So you got 4 rear. What are these?
They're 9.5-inch wide wheel, and I believe it was a plus 27 offset.
It looks really,
the
really,
fronts
really
on
nice.
the ZCP wheels, they don't have much concave, and they're kind of whack.
Yep.
Honestly, with these fog lights, it doesn't look too bad, but still gotta change them.
Still changing in the future.
We had the smoke corners, change those.
Yep.
We're definitely gonna do a review on the BC Racing Coilovers themselves, since we have them both on the Laguna and the Amola, of course. Amola sitting tight as well. How do you like it so far, though?
It's good. It's good. Honestly, shout out to BC Racing. You know, you guys make some good products, and you know, hopefully you guys can sponsor us one day.
I mean, I wouldn't have got them if he didn't like
Sponsor
them.
our boy.
Yeah, he's just running springs. We gotta change that.
We gotta change that.
Yeah.
Overall, it's a success. Right before the E46 M East meet. This was really last second, and we didn't know if we were gonna make it, but we made it in time, man. So,
Yep. We did.
honestly, we're gonna go get some sleep and continue this video tomorrow. Peace
Bye,
out, guys.
See you. Bad life. Out.
baby.